it has become imperative for me to bring to the attention of the general public the ongoing rape on democracy that is currently ongoing in Abia State. After the Labour Party have won all the local government in Abia State, the governor of Abia State is trying to change his local government result, Obingwa, in order to obtain the entire outcome of the election. As I speak with you, INEC officials and all other officers are held hostage by the governor in his local government, and he's trying to change the election results. Same scenario is playing out in Enugu. The governor of Enugu State is working hard, and they are trying to change the results that we have won clearly in Enugu State, and therefore using this opportunity to alert members of the public, INEC Chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu, and the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari. The intervention is timely. The provocation has become so much, having denied us of our victory in the presidential election, massive rigging of our election in Lagos and several other parts of the country. It is almost become intolerable, and it is imperative to put on record that if this scenario continues if it's allowed to continue in Abia and Enugu State, it may become difficult for us to control our supporters who are ready to continue to sit and occupy the streets of Nigeria till justice is done, till all our mandates from the presidential to House of Assembly, National Assembly, and to state government is recovered.